This is Matt, and this will be a short, straightforward video on how to convert a Google Doc into a Markdown format. So we're going to create a .md file. Google Docs, they've made it very, very easy. I'm right here in an untitled document. Just got some dummy text I found online and an image here from Unsplash, the popular free image resource. So what you can do to create this Markdown format is you come up to the top, we will click on File, and then we will come down about halfway down, hover over Download, and when this drop down opens, you can see we've got all the usual formats like Microsoft Word, we've got PDF here, plain text format, rich text format there. You can even do HTML as a zipped HTML file right there. But the one we want is right at the bottom currently. It is Markdown. That will create a .md file. .md files used a lot if you are coding and you want to create Markdown files just for within a project or something. Very, very useful. Lots of different reasons why you might have Markdown format, but we are going to click this one, Markdown.md, just like that. You'll see in the top right corner the icon goes flying up there, which is a universal symbol on a Mac. I'm on a Mac, and that shows that something has been downloaded. So you will find that in the downloads location as set by your browser configuration. I'm on Google Chrome on a Mac, so it goes directly to my downloads location. Your downloads location might be different. But yeah, you will find it there. You'll know what your downloads location is, and you will find a Markdown file right there. So that was how to convert from a Google Doc into Markdown format. They've made it very, very easy in Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.